You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. In today's video, I'm going to look at this very area on the 4-hour chart BTC. You see this very area where I talked about in one of my previous videos, and I said market is going to break, market breakdown. Exact same pattern is right now on the chart. What do you think is going to happen at this very area on the chart? And on ETH, we've seen this very area right there. This is a bearish rectangular pattern. What is going to happen? Market is going to break here and come back to the downside, or we're going to see a breakout right at this point. The market move to the upside. All of these and more in today's video. Watch this video to the end, and if you're new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. On the BTCUSD 1-day chart, you see nothing that really happened on this very area, but I am still paying attention to market coming back down a little bit, especially with a dilation on the signal line and the MACD line at this very area, while we still see the MACD histogram still forming on the negative side of the MACD with significant momentum to the downside on the histogram right at this area. So this very area is very important. One of the confirmation to show that this area is very important is if you use the Fibonacci retracement tool and you plot from here where the move started from and up to this very area on the close. So at this very close, and then if you look at it, this is a very significant retracement level, which is 0.382, which is very important, and that appears to be at this very level of support. And this level of support in the past have been a critical resistance at this very area, and we have a critical resistance at this very area as well. So these very points are very important to pay attention to. So if market drop right down to this point, you expect the market to actually move to the upside. Especially today, the Fed chairman Jerome Powell is going to testify, and that testimony will have a very little impact in the market. That is what I am personally expecting in the market. So from here, I am expecting the market to come back down a little bit on the 1-day chart, and that will also be very important as we look at the MACD histogram. A formation on the positive side of the MACD at this very area is an indication that this bearish move have ended, and we will see possible movement to the upside. And on the 4-hour chart BTCUSDT, I talked about this very area in my previous video. This very area right here, that market is going to break, market break, come back right down. And if you look at it very well, we have similar structure at this very point. You see, from this very point, market come down, go up, come down again, and have about 2-3 touches. 3 touches. The first touch here, we have the second touch here, and the third touch at this very area. If you look at this point, we have about 3 touches on this very resistance as well. And what I am paying attention to is a breakout here. There is a high probability of market breaking out at this very point to the downside than market breaking out on the resistance. Reason why we are in a bear trend. A breakout on this line of support, come to the downside, retracement, continuation is possible. So this is what I am expecting right now in the market on the 4-hour chart. A breakout on this level of support right at this point is going to send the market back down, and the breakout here is going to send the market into this level of support. This very area, market is going to move significantly to the upside, because that is where we see the move started from this very area to the upside. And this is what I am paying attention to in the market today. This very level where the market is right now, this zone is very important to you to pay attention to. Breakout ETHUSD 1-day chart. If you look at it, this very market have not moved significantly on the 1-day, and what you should be paying attention to is the MACD right now on the ETH, because ETH have a greater momentum of moving right now more than BTC would do. So pay attention to the MACD. A greater increase in the MACD histogram to the downside with these red bars mean the market is going to come back right down. And when we start seeing a formation on the positive side with a crossover within the MACD line and the signal line at this very point, is an indication that market will have a possible turn to the upside. But Right now, pay attention to the market moving back down a little bit because the histogram is still forming on the negative side of the MACD. One very important thing you need to pay attention to on the immediate short term is this very level on ETH 4-hour chart where we have this rectangular pattern. A rectangular pattern in a downtrend is a bearish continuation pattern. So if you look at it very well, a breakout of this very zone of support is going to make the market to come back down, and that very move will send the market into this very level of support. This very area of support is where you should be looking at the market to come into after this breakout. Market come back right down into this level of support before we see the next move to the upside. So what do you think about the market on ETH? It is very important. Do you think the market is going to break on this very level of support, just like we see right at this area, because it's almost the same pattern we are seeing right now on the chart? Is market going to break here and come back right down into this level of 21,600? What do you think? Comment below in the comment section of this video. And if you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. Also subscribe to our new Forex channel. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.